Hello everyone, myself Shubham Atkar, and this is my library management project. So basically, this is the home screen of the project. So now let's see how student can log in and access the books. So let's say the student login with his user ID and password, and after login, he can see all the books which are made available by the library, its average rating and all. So now, uh, let's say student want this book, so he can make the request. Say number of books as number of days as 4. Then he can submit the request. So now the request has been submitted, and here you can see his request submitted. So now, and these are the books which are like accepted by the library to this user. So here he can view this book and he can read this book. Basically, he can download this book from here. But if he wants to download this book, then he has to pay the amount, and then after paying, that book will be made available and he can download it from here. So after this, let's say he wants to return this book. So when he clicks on the return, then in the list of completed books, the book will be shown, and here he can rate the book. So let's say he wants to give 5 stars. Great. So like this, he can rate the book. And now here we can see that the rating has been updated. So now whenever he goes on the home page, here in the average rating, he can see that the average rating has been updated. And this will be helpful for other students also. So in this way, a user can read the book, download the book, and make the request. And like this, he can also filter here. So, and also he can see the stats of like how many books he has written of data, like of which section. So he has read 2 books of data science. So there were 10 books available from this library, out of which he has read 2 books and he has purchased 1 book. And his reading percentage is 20%, and his read index is 0.15. So this is like maximum the read index is 1. So more the read index, the better the reader is, as said. And most read books is like these 5 books are mentioned here. So in this way, the user can see his stats also. So now let's see about librarian. So whenever the librarian logs in, here you can see all the sections, and let's see, he wants to see all the books here. So here you can see all the books. Then book requests are here, current books are here. You can revoke access also. Then here total books which are published, purchased, and all the stats, top reader, and all the things in the stats. So in this way, librarian can also log in and access library management system. Thank you. And now let's see how a librarian can add the book. So librarian can log in with his credentials, and after login, here you can see all the sections which he has added. So now let's say he wants to add one section. So let's say physics. I'm taking this image from website. Then here also I'm adding the section description. And after adding here, we can see that physics section is visible. So now here you can add the book. So let's say super simple physics, the book you want to add here. Then you can add author here. Then you can add an image, cover image of the book, and you can also add description.